The all-new Thompson 5000 series Mixer Mincer is a significant upgrade, offering increased production capacity whilst also improving the eating qualities of the finished product. Using our innovative new right-angle feed screw, it is easily able to achieve production rates of up to 8,000 kilos per hour. That's in a first cut application through a 13mm plate and then 7,500 kilos per hour second cut operation through a 4mm plate. To put it in perspective, that's 250 tons first cut mince each and every week. Staggering performance that is revolutionizing meat processing workflows all around the world. And with an optional open hopper for continual loading, production rates and operator performance efficiencies climb even further. Let's get into the detail. Our unique CO2 cooling process reduces the temperatures of the mince particles from 8 degrees Celsius down to -1 or 2 degrees Celsius in around 40 seconds. This unique bottom injection manifold is combined with our plenum CO2 gas extraction system, which very cleverly minimizes CO2 energy losses. Our temperature reduction time is much faster and more efficient. As agitation of the product is essential during CO2 injection, our unique injection system reduces the cycle times by as much as 10 and easily halves the injection cycle time. The CO2 injection nozzles are capable of 5,500 kilos per hour. That's a staggering 1.53 kilos per second of CO2 injected. The resulting meat particle definition and size is very distinct. Clear, distinctively separated meat and fat particles of a remarkably consistent size and texture. Smearing of the meat particles is eliminated by our clever design of the cutting system. It's much more than just the knife rubbing against the plate. The Thompson solution eliminates the destructive overworking of the finished product and is our key to overcoming the industry-wide challenges of particle definition and protein extraction. Simply put, it removes that excessive product smear that plagues the industry globally. Just look at the product discharge capabilities in this standard configuration. But now, look at the even more staggering product discharge rates through our new and patented Thompson high-efficiency cutting system, HEX for short. That's impressive. The bowl capacity is 510 litres and can hold up to 300 or even 400 kilos if required. Yes, a single 300 kilo batch can be loaded efficiently in a single load by the Thompson 300 kilo column hoist. This amazing machine can easily achieve sustained output rates of up to 150 kilos per minute. That's first cut through a 5mm plate. Our high-efficiency feed screw and unique barrel design correctly proportions supply from the intake channel through to the cutting system. By balancing the product input and output ratio with each revolution of the feed screw, we minimize mechanical overworking of the meat. It's this feature that maintains the original meat structure through the transport system until it is minced. Our innovative feed system also eliminates excessive pressure, causing over-extrusion of the product as it passes through the plate. This is a major industry problem that consistently damages the meat structure and resulting eating pleasure. There's an optional pneumatically controlled discharge chute to enable the bowl contents to be emptied, bypassing the feed screw and cutting system. This clever option allows the product to be emptied from the bowl without the second mincing process. You maintain much more of the product integrity and avoid the risk of emulsifying as the meat passes through the feed screw and cutting system time after time. Yes, you are left with a much juicier mince with more mouthfeel, a better bite, and much more of that sought-after home-style product. During the mix cycle, the feed screw auto-reverses intermittently and displaces a majority of the product from the feed screw channel. Not only does this ensure the batch is more efficiently blended, it also reduces the amount of unmixed product that needs to be discharged from the feed screw channel and re-added to the batch at the end of each mixing cycle. Now, all that capability is also packed into a reduced footprint. Yes, the Thompson machines are extremely compact in size, but more cost competitive when compared to so many inferior machines manufactured around the world. And so, with the variable speed feed screw control, CO2 bottom injection, PLC controls, weight load cells, and water injection, it's easy to see why leading meat processors from all over the globe are switching to the Thompson. Thompson Meat Machinery, leading manufacturers of meat processing machinery.